Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. See you again. In this video, we will do the revision for the UPS. For the first part, it is about the topic 1, which is about the electrostatic. What I want you to do is first pick up a piece of paper, write down your names and your practicum. Just this is to challenge yourself. Write down number 1 to number 15 because there are 15 questions that we will discuss. And what I want you to do, when I read the question, the first part, I read the question and then I want you to choose the best answer. After we finish for that 15 question, we will discuss the best answer. Okay? Now we go to the objective question, 15 objective question. Question number 1. As per Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point charges is inversely proportional to. Question number 2. As per Coulomb's law, the sign of the charges is important in distinguishing the direction of the. Question number 3. As per Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point charges is directly proportional to the. Question number 4. Coulomb's law is only true for point charge whose signs are. For question number 5, the value of K in Coulomb's law depends upon. Electric intensity or electric field strength is a dash quantity and the unit is dash. For question number 7, which pair is correct showing the direction of electric field strength E1 and E2 at point P? For question number 8, the amount of work done in bringing unit positive test charge from infinity to a point in electric field is called. For question number 9, electrical potential dash as distance increase. Question number 10, the magnitude of electric potential is dash at an infinite distance. Question number 11, the energy supplied by a unit charge as it moves from a point to another point in the direction of the field is called electric. Question number 12. Which of the following unit for electric potential energy is not true? Question number 13. Which of the following statement about the equipotential surfaces or line is not true? Question number 14. A stationary positive charge is placed in a uniform electric field. The direction of electric force exerted on that stationary positive charge is. And the last question, when an electron with an initial velocity u enters a uniform electric field perpendicularly, the electric force will cause the electron to move along a dash path dash plate. Okay, so that's all the question that relate to the topic 1, which is about the electrostatic. Have you get all the answers? You can review back the question by pausing this video. And now I want to discuss the answers or solution for each question. You can take note in your own paper. For question number 1, as per Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between two-point charge is inversely proportional to the... Okay, for this question, we need to refer to the Coulomb's law concept, and because of we want to find the quantity that inversely proportional to the force, referring to the equation, we can see that the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Because of that, the answer is D. For question number 2, as per Coulomb's law, the sign of the charges is important in distinguishing the direction of the... So in this case, the positive or negative sign of the charge is to identify the direction of the electric force, either attract or repel. It is depends on the types of charge. If different charge, it is attractive force, and if same charge, it is repulsion force. So the answer is electric force. For question number 3, as per Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between two-point charges is directly proportional to the... This question is also the same thing. You need to refer to the Coulomb's concept or Coulomb's law, and we can see that the force or the Coulomb force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the two charges. Because of that, question number 3, the answer is D. Question number 4, Coulomb's law is only true for point charges whose size are... This is actually general knowledge. Why? Because of, if you remember the value for elementary charge, if you refer to the list of constant, the value is 1.6 times 10 power of negative 19 Coulomb, which is very, very small, right? Okay, because of that, the answer for this is C. For question number 5, the value of K in Coulomb's law depends upon... Okay, now we refer to the equation for K in the list of constant given to you. So referring to this relationship, we know that the K is directly inversely proportional or depends on the medium between the two charges. Question number 6, it is quite easy, right? Electric intensity or electric field strength. This is another name for the electric field strength, right? Electric intensity. So it is what types of quantity and what is the unit for the electric field strength? So the answer is, because of we refer to the equation E, which is equal to potential difference divided by D. So we know that the electric field strength is a vector quantity with the unit of volt per meter. The best answer is C. For question number 7, which pair is correct showing the direction of electric field strength E1 and E2 at point P? So in this case, to identify the direction of E1 and E2 for this two-point charge, please remember, for the positive charge, the direction of E is outward, and for the negative charge, the direction of electric field strength is inward. Because of that, E1 is towards Q2 because of it is outward from the Q1, and E2 is towards Q2 because of Q2 is negative. The direction of electric field strength is toward or inward. So the best answer is A. For question number 8, the amount of work done in bringing unit positive test charge from infinity to a point in electric field is called... So this is the definition for electric potential. Because of this positive test charge is bring from infinity to a point. Okay. referring to that equation. Question number 9. Electric potential dash as distance increases. So electric potential is V, referring to the equation V is equal to KQ over R. When the distance increase, V will decreases. So the best answer is C. Question number 10. The magnitude of electric potential is dash at an infinite distance. So we know that the electric potential will equal to 0 at the infinite distance. For question number 11, the energy supplied by a unit charge as it moves from a point to another point in the direction of the field is called electric. So if you look at this statement, it is from a point to another point. So actually look like that we calculate the difference. Because of that, this definition is referred to the definition of electric potential difference. The answer is D. For question number 12, which of the following unit for electric potential energy? Okay, please take note. Electric potential energy is some sort of energy. So it is not true. So if you remember, it is a lot of equation for energy. For example, W is equal to QV. So it is also represent the unit of electron volt. QV is also Q is Coulomb, V is volt. And then Newton meter is referred to W is equal to F dot S. F is Newton, S is meter. So this is also the unit for energy from the word energy theorem. Yeah. And the last one, joule per second. Of course, the not true. The statement, the not true. Because of the unit of energy is only joule, not joule per second. Okay, now we go to question number 13. Which of the following statement about the equipotential surfaces or line is not true? So if you look at the choices given, choice A, the equipotential surfaces always parallel to the electric field. Is it parallel? It's look like that equipotential surfaces is always perpendicular to the electric field, right? So the answer is A. But because we want to find the statement which is not true, just read the other choices. For the B, spherical equipotential surfaces produced from a point charge. It is correct, right? So how we want to produce the uniform equipotential surfaces? Because we have the spherical equipotential surfaces and also the uniform equipotential surfaces. So for if the spherical equipotential surface produced from the point charge, so for the uniform equipotential surfaces, it is produced from the two different charge on each plate, which is producing the uniform electric field. So when we produce the uniform electric field, so the equipotential surfaces is also uniform. Okay. For the choice C, closer the equipotential lines, greater the electric field strength. It is correct, right? Which is the line that is nearer to the point charge is the line is closer to each other. So at that point, the electric field strength is greater. And choice D, no work is done in moving a charge along the same equipotential surface. Is it correct? Yes, because why no work done? Because of at the same equipotential surface, we have same potential at each point on it. So when we calculate the work done, because W is equal to Q delta V, so delta V is equal to 0. Okay, that's why the answer is A. For question number 14, a stationary positive charge is placed in a uniform electric field. The direction of the electric force exerted on that stationary positive charge is... Okay, if you look at this question, it is a positive charge in the uniform electric field. So when the charge located in the uniform electric field, the charge will experience the electric force. So, and also, if it is a positive charge, of course, it will attract to the negative plate. That's why the electric force is exerted on the stationary positive charge towards the negative plate. So the best answer is A. Let's say if it is electron, so if the electron placed in the uniform electric field, so the electric force will exerted towards the positive plate. Okay. Last question, which is 15. When an electron with an initial velocity u enter a uniform electric field perpendicularly, the electric force will cause the electron to move along a. So now take a look at the diagram. If we have uniform electric field and the charge enter the uniform electric field with the initial velocity u, so the path that the electron, because of that charge is electron move, is parabolic path, and of course towards the positive plate because of electron attract to the positive plate. So the answer is C. So how's everyone? How's your marks? Did you get 15 over 15? Congratulations. So for those who get 15 over 15, I hope that you can continue your result, your good in answering the multiple choice question like this in the real UPS. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you think that this video helped you to improve your knowledge and improve your skill to answer the multiple choice question, I hope that you can click the subscribe button, click like, and please share this video with your friends. I wish you all the best and you get full marks for the UPS 1. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.